Hi, Michael. I'm Ray. I work for One Stop Marketing here in Palmdale. We spoke on the phone. Let's take a look at your website here. The best way to beat out your competition is with content, citations, and backlinks. So here's your site. Content is the words on your page as well as the pictures and what they save as. I see what you mean about the pictures. Whoa, where are they? There they are. About the pictures being blurry. They're likely a low resolution. We'd want to get higher resolution photos on there for you and save them with keywords that people are already searching for so they show up there. We typically want to see 150, or no, not 150, 1,500 words on your page with relevant keywords like painting in Antelope Valley on your page to help you show up in the search engines when people are searching for those things. The next thing I want to tell you about is citations. Let's take a look at this tool that I use called WhiteSpark. A citation is anywhere you're found listed in a directory with your name, address, and phone number. You have a few, but we'd like to get you more because when I search for Antelope Valley house painters in Google, first thing I see are these, well, up here. First thing I see are these ads, and then I see the Google Map Pack. The way you get here is with citations. So these people have more citations than you do, and all we have to do is see what they're going after, where they're listed, get listed there, and then some more. And we beat them out for those spots. The other thing I want to tell you about is backlinks. So these results here are determined by backlinks. Backlinks are a website that sends a link back to your page, like if a news story or a news website did a story on you and they linked back to your page. So I like to use Ahrefs, and Ahrefs gives us an idea of what's working well for you and what's not working. It's not 100% accurate, but it gives us a good idea. So you've got 8 backlinks here from 2 different referring domains. You're going after 2 keywords. Let me just take a look at one of your competitors. So these guys have 113 backlinks and from 8 referring domains. And what do they have? They have well, Yellow Pages, you have that already. Expertise, YPD deals. So we could go after these and we could get backlinks from these places and then some more and beat them out on that spot on Google and get you on the first page. Also, they're using some keywords. I'll go over here. They're using some keywords that you're not using yet, but they're really easy to go after. Like, for example, painters in Lancaster, painters in Palmdale. So the keyword difficulty is a 0. So that means it'd be really easy to take over those spots. People are searching for painters and Lancasters with a volume of 50, and then they're clicking on at least one of those after they search for that. So that's something that would get you more business right away. And these people, painters, they're not even on the first page. We can get you on the first page. So that is everything I wanted to show you. You want to use content with keywords, citations, and backlinks to improve your online presence. I hope you enjoyed this video and these free tips. If you want to see how One Stop Marketing can help you get more customers, just reach out to me. We can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just give me some feedback. Please let me know how I did on the video. Thank you for your time.